Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the importance or the role of public enterprises. First, importance plant development. The main objective of public enterprise is to accelerate the plant development of the nation by establishing industries. जो मुख्य उद्देश्य पब्लिक एंटरप्राइज का है वो देश में इंडस्ट्रीज का डेवलपमेंट करके और उसे बढ़ाना है. These are helpful in providing mobility to all developmental functions in an efficient manner. और ये सारी इंटरप्राइजेज जो हैं वो डेवलपमेंटल फंक्शन में मदद करती हैं. They also promote economic and social development amongst weaker sections of the society by implementing government schemes and policies. Second importance, balanced development. Balanced development is main objective of public enterprise. Through them, the development work can be done in planned and balanced manner so that the industries are not centralized in the developed areas and all the areas can be developed in harmonious ways. And third importance, to accelerate the rate of economic development. In developing countries, public enterprises also plays an important role in accelerating the rate of economic growth. यानी जो हमारे डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज हैं उनमें पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण रोल होता है इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ को एक्सेलरेट करने में. दे प्रोवाइड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल फैसिलिटीज फॉर इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट एज वेल एज प्रोवाइडिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज. सबसे पहले बात तो ढांचागत सुविधाएं उपलब्ध कराती हैं, आर्थिक विकास करती हैं और इसके साथ साथ में वो रोजगार के अवसर भी प्रदान करती हैं. Large amount of capital, technical empowerment and other facilities can be arranged by the government. And fourth importance, public utilities. Public enterprises plays an important role in providing public utilities such as transportation, water supply, irrigation, electricity, communication, education, health, etc. to the general public. यानी पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस जो हैं वो पब्लिक यूटिलिटी सर्विसेज भी प्रोवाइड करती हैं. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे जैसे आपको बताया गया कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की सुविधा, वाटर सप्लाई की सुविधा, सिंचाई की सुविधा, बिजली की सुविधा, संचार की सुविधा और शिक्षा और स्वास्थ्य की सेवाएं जनरल पब्लिक को उपलब्ध कराती हैं. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंस, टू प्रोवाइड supply of essential goods and services. Public enterprise also provides goods and services to the general public at the reasonable prices. Private enterprise emphasizes on profitability, while public enterprises produces such services and goods for profit earning public welfare. And next importance, creation of employment opportunities. This is very important importance of the public enterprise. Public enterprises act as a model employer besides creating new employment opportunities in the country. Their purpose is to provide employment to the people and also helps in raising their standard of living. And another very important importance is to reduce the economic disparities. The objective of the government is to reduce the prevailing economic inequalities in the economy. For this purpose, public enterprises plays an active role to develop the different regions of the country. So these are the importance of the public enterprises. Now, okay, girls.